Clearing your search history on Zoom can help maintain your privacy and keep your account organized. Follow these steps to easily clear your search history. Step 1. Open the Zoom application. Launch the Zoom application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Locate the gear icon or your profile picture in the upper right corner of the application. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Click on it to view your privacy options, including search history. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the privacy settings, find the option labeled Clear Search History. Click on this option to remove all previous search entries from your account. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Zoom. Regularly managing your search history can help enhance your overall experience on the platform.